Hello everybody, this is my vacuum cleaner by Shark. It's a model since last year, since 2020, ever since the pandemic started. Actually, I don't want to talk about the pandemic. Let's talk more about this vacuum. Yep. Let's see. This is, yep. It does says this is a self-cleaning brush roll where the debris is swept up and also up this tube, and all the dirt goes in this container, which could be cleaned out. Yep. It actually does come with the model tools that came with it. Let's see. This is the combination. This is the combination dusting and upholstery attachment. It can be suitable for like curtains or like certain types of upholstery, like bed mattresses. Actually, this attachment this attachment might fit well to clean floors if disassembling the power head, if it's desired. This nifty attachment is called the crevice tool to clean your nooks and crannies. Yep. Actually, there is a website that might have Shark vacuum cleaners called Ibasiac. That features Roger on his website. He probably collects a lot of sharks himself. Just to clean certain areas around the homes with. Probably if I wanted to demonstrate this vacuum, the mains cable this mains cable does this mains cable this mains cable this mains cable comes off like this for getting ready to clean, and also one fixed hook. Let's see here. Let's see. This plug tells me this is a American model, but it goes to be a British-made plug if desired. Oh, here's a good outlet to plug it into. Yeah, just simply plug in your vacuum, and you could go on just plugging the vacuum. I guess you could yep. Actually, there is a foot right here for a recliner vacuum. It does come with 2 speeds, one for bare floor and one for bare floor and area rugs, and also high pile. And also setting 2 for high pile carpets, like shag or aluminium carpets, or probably this carpet, or maybe this carpet right here. How about if I give you a small? How about if I give you a small demonstration of what I meant by that? See, recliner vacuum. Once I turn this on, the headlight. Once I turn this on, once I turn this on, this does have headlights. I'll show you the headlights here. Commercial indicator is green. Actually, this vacuum is very quiet. Again, some vacuums can be kind of loud. probably for cleaning something like hard floors with this attachment. I guess you can disengage the nozzle for like for like a cleaning high places to get out the cobwebs. Or an additional idea, I guess you could use this to clean floors. Yep. So this vacuum is like electric stick vacuum, like you see in most YouTube videos. There's a statement about vacuum cleaners. Yeah. Actually, if there's anything more to say about this good vacuum, I suggest order this vacuum online. I guess in the US we call it Amazon, but if you're living in the UK they call it Amazon, or find it on eBay. Thanks for watching, and thank you for this Shark vacuum cleaner review. See ya, mate.